What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we're going to be looking at how we can create and install a TeamSpeak free server onto a VPS. Now we're going to be using DigitalOcean's service here, and we're going to be using the $5 plan. As you can see here, once you get to DigitalOcean, just sign up, put your email account in, and then you need to put in some funds there. So it says $5, but you will have to put in $10 to get it working. Okay, so once you've done that, you should be pretty much to go. Just put all your PayPal details in and it will put $10 into your account. So once we've got that, we can create our first droplet. So droplets are where we're going to be installing our operating system and stuff like that onto, and then our TeamSpeak server. So let's create our first droplet. We're going to be using Ubuntu for this. Now you can use 32-bit or 64-bit. We're using the latest versions here, so we're going to be doing 32-bit. Now down below you can select the amount of money that you want to use. $5 is going to be good enough for us, and you can select your area. So I'm going to be doing the UK, London, and then we're going to create our droplet. Now you can name your droplet TeamSpeak. You can see mine's just called Ubuntu. You can rename this at a later date, it doesn't really matter, but we're just going to let that install. Now once you've got that installed, you want to download Putty. If you're using Windows, we're going to be downloading Putty so we can connect to the server and change some details. Now we need to get the link for the TeamSpeak free server. Go to the Ubuntu area, 32-bit or 64-bit depending on what version you've used, and copy this to the clipboard. You can paste this into a notepad so you can use it a little bit later. By now you would have received an email with all your IP details for the actual DigitalOcean here. Now we're going to open up our Putty and we're going to copy our IP, and we're going to paste it into the host name, and now that allows us to connect. Just say yes to the security alert, and then this will open up our Putty console window. Type in root and now put in your password, which they would have sent you. Now this would be a long password, so just type that out, and then you would need to put in that same password again because it's forcing you to change your password. Now you can put in a new password. So type in your new password, and you'll need to do that twice. Now we need to update our Ubuntu. So apt-get update, so we're going to do that, and this will update all our Ubuntu. Now that long URL that we pasted into our notepad or clipboard, which is for TeamSpeak, we need to do wget and paste it into here, and this will pull this down. Now we've got that there, we need to unrar that file. I'm going to use the command tar. All these commands will be in the description. They're pretty long and hefty to do. I'm going to type LL, and you can see there now we have our TeamSpeak location in. Just type out the next part, which is going to get us ready to use our TeamSpeak. Now we're going to copy all the details here that is created. Now all these details will be the hash for the server, for the TeamSpeak server. So copy these to your actual notepad. So I'm going to open up Notepad again and paste all this into here and save this for a later date. Now you can see the password there. I've blurred out the token there, which we're going to use later, and I've just checked the status of the server to see if it was running, and it is. So we can close off this now and now open up our TeamSpeak free client. Once we've got this open, it wants us to do a quick update, so I'm going to let this update to get the latest version. This is important obviously because of security risks and stuff like that. You want to make sure that you got the latest version. Let that open, and now we're going to try to connect to our server. So we're going to hit the connections up the top and then hit connect, and what that's going to do is allow us to put in our IP. So we'll just change this and put IP in here. There's our server IP. Now when we go to hit connect here, what it's going to ask us to do is put in a token. Now this token is what you see in the previous part of the video. I've pasted all that information into Notepad. We're just going to bring this back up. Now you don't want to give this to anyone because this will give them the server admin, and you can see the token here. I'm going to copy this and paste that into this area here, and then click OK, and it will give you server admin, as you can see here. Now you can give everyone you want, all your friends, a bit of moderator, a bit of admin with certain permissions, and you can sort all that out. If you want to know how to do that, then let me know and I can make a video on that. But that's basically how you can create your own TeamSpeak free server. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, then hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up to date when I upload new videos. Got any problems with your computers, head over to the forums. And if you haven't joined my Facebook fan page, then you can also pop over there and give us a little like up over there. All the information should be in the description there, so all the commands and everything. So just follow along there and you should be good to go. Thanks again. Bye for now.